solver couldn't find the feasible solutions. As you can see, what is our maximum capacity? 450. Our total demand is now 550. We cannot satisfy our demand. That's why solver couldn't find the solution. This solution is meaningless because the solver couldn't find the solution. So suppose that this company wants to open up the new plant. Suppose that this company wants to open up the new plant. They have identified two potential sites, N1 and N2. N1 and N2. These are the two potential manufacturing sites, new manufacturing sites under considerations. Either of them will be chosen. How? This one now will be applied in this model. For example, N1. Like this. You want to add one constraint, one locational relative at a time. N1 now should be, let's say, I believe I used the Far East, Eastern Europe, and Latin America, right? Suppose that you want to open up a new plant in Southeast Asia, one of the countries in Southeast Asia. Let's say N1 is the Vietnam, and N2 is the Cambodia. Since you know the location of N1 and N2, you can estimate the unit cost of delivery from all of your existing distribution centers. Right? What should be so? Those numbers should be on this side, because that is their unit cost of delivery from here Vietnam to warehouse A, B, C, D. Correct? We do need the capacity information for N1, right? What would be the capacity for our N1? What should be the capacity for N1? 100. Why 100? Because the difference between total capacity and total demand was exactly 100 units, right? So the capacity for N1 should be at least 100, right? So there should be 100. Then you can solve the problem. You can find out the total cost. Now, once you are able to find out the potential total cost for N1, remove it. Now it is time to include N2. What is the potential capacity for N2? Still at least 100. Your unit cost of delivery in this case varies, because it's now from Cambodia to A, B, C, and D. And then solve for total cost. You want to choose the location with the lowest total cost. This is how we can use our transportation model. Another way we can use transportation model, suppose that we don't want to open up the new plant. We want to increase our capacity. We can do some manual calculation here. Can you add here 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, one at a time to see what is the best combination. I mean, the rest of our PowerPoint slide summarize what we have learned.